Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekenekwa m na asịrị na Ijele na bịa ka ọ respond to ihe Gentel dị ya okwu. Chineke datakwara. Ijele is calling on every well-meaning Nigerian, so the DSS, so the security agent, to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He called upon everybody in the Caribbean Gentel that Gentel should be held behind bars. That Gentel threatened everybody. Gentel is threatening the peace of this country. So because natural too much again at this video. Because now even in that video, Gentel also not Ijele before. But I think this should be the first time on Ijele. So because no Ijele respond to Gentel the Yahoo. One.
Stand up, Biafrans. Let the sea go line too much. Hakuro line as well around 9 too much. And for you, Ijele, Udele, since everly I started this program, I started this struggle, I never mentioned your name. Udele that I was mentioning was second to Sapele, and since then I mentioned Ijele, second of Sapele. Are you a second to Sapele? The second in command of Sapele, his name was Ijele. Now you carry everything up here. You carry everything on your head. The pursue who is not after you. You see today, made you up on Ishigi. Here in camera, and when I catch your follow Ali, made you up on Ishigi.
If I is Orienta. Gentel, it's obvious you are not marked for living. It's obvious that when it's time for a sick dog to buy, it will walk its 2 left legs inside the slaughterhouse, or 4 left legs inside the slaughterhouse. Let me tell you, if you notice if you know in my eye, you understand. And I've been calling for this fight. You don't need to lie that I wasn't Udele. There is only one Udele that's against you. Okay? I don't know any other Udele. Now you are changing it to be someone else. It's a lie. Now let me tell you, I don't care who the fucking politicians that are giving you this cover are. I don't care what they are telling. If you notice from the day you released your voice notes that you were sick, I analyzed it to a T, and everything I said happened. I only shared about your crime because the army were deceived into making such a statement. And as somebody that will always believe the armed forces first, I went on with it without knowing that even the army themselves were fooled by those politicians. And it is because the governor surrounds himself with evil people. So I don't care the game you people think you're playing. It's you and I. It has always been. So I don't know when you caught the truth on your own. I never caught any truth from day one. And the offer still stands. If Ijele, give me location. I don't care how many GPMGs you have. I don't care how many boys you will gather around yourself. I know the last thing you will do is one-on-one combat with me. They no born you well. I go by you. Do you want to settle it as men? Fear will not let you. If not, your men one side, me the other side. We do am as men. I go deal with you, which you know. I will seriously deal with you. You never begin wrong. All this your hide, mugu. See your shrine. See Christian music. Which one? Ken on there. And it be Jesus and it say, couldn't know fool because you are a very unstable human being. If I use Orienta, I'm not afraid of you, and I never called off my pursuit of you. I don't know who spoke to you, but yes, I came to Owerri specifically because of people like you. I have no business with your governor. As far as I'm concerned, he's useless in security. I have no business with any politician. I can't trust any law enforcement. In case you don't know, I'm building something against you people. You see this guy, maybe you think your politicians or whoever will set me up the way they set up. No, they tried that one already and failed woefully. They failed woefully. So don't assume that I will hear your words and be shivering. Hey, oh, Gentel mentioned my name. Fuck you. You are a tozo local bingo. Okuki Igbo Yebo. You are Ozu. Mutobo. Mwewu. You still they climb palm tree when men don't they handle iron. You still they learn carpentry work for back when men they knock international. Look at where international need. International. So Obuhonwa bingo di kagiga ne yime we be too small. You are a fucking twat. Your politicians will be telling you whatever they like, oh, but I'm telling you, when my fury is directed at you, when it finally arrives, none of them will be safe. Hagabo, they would run. My people tracked you the day you went to buy timber. The day where you go buy wood for your Kigwe market inside December. So I've confirmed of your living. In fact, I never even bought it. Like I said, it was when the army announced it that kind of, yes, announced it. Just like every other media house. So it's not as if I was the only person. Now, my deal is this. The same one I gave you before. You better buy yourself, because it will be better you were not born than these hands getting to you first. And the day it will happen, I go start with all those politicians where they back you up. The moment you see them falling as flies, know that your end is near. So here na Koheri. The last time you mentioned my name, wait for part 2. This time around you won't escape it.